Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
fine. How about you?
I'm good. What is your name?
My name is Ngurah. Yeah. In Bali, especially in Bali, uh, when earthquake happen, we will go to like a safe place, going out from house, and like believer in Bali, we will say it hidup. Yeah, we will say it hidup uh, like many times until the earthquake stop.
Oh,
Yeah, hidup, something like that. Yeah,
okay. That's nice.
like
And may I know the famous festival in Bali?
in Bali we celebrate uh, many like festival. One of the biggest and famous one we call Galungan and Kuningan. Yeah, and Kuningan. This festival is celebrate the winning of Dharma against Adharma. Yeah, uh, we celebrate this event in a year 2 times. So every 6 months, 6 months. Like a Balinese, we have Balinese calendar. Yeah.
Okay. And what food is famous in Bali?
We have many food uh, in Bali, especially our traditional food. Yeah. One of the famous one we call betutu. Betutu is it. This is like smoke. We make from chicken or duck. So smoked duck, smoked chicken with the Balinese spice.
I
Yeah.
think it is you prepare it from bamboo. Is it?
We wrap in like a leaf. We wrap in the leaf with the spice inside, and then we smoke maybe about, let's say, 6 until 8 hours until the meat becomes soft, and then you enjoy.
I think for duck it takes many hours, I
Yeah, many
guess.
hours. Because of the typical duck in Bali, the meat uh, very hard. Yeah, hard. That's why we smoke quite lot, quite long time. Yeah. And the third one we call babi guling,
Okay.
suckling pig.
Hmm.
Yeah, suckling pig. Yeah, the three kind of the famous food in Bali. Yeah. The accompaniment from the tree food we call lawar. Mix vegetable, steamed vegetable with the Balinese spice also. Yeah, with sambal and coconut, and grated coconut. Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday I tried this crispy duck and it was very, very tasty and
Yeah.
it was yummy also. I
Because
liked it.
we marinated also before we deep fried the duck. We marinated first with the Balinese spice. Yeah, maybe like a night, and then after that you keep in the fridge. When the guest order or you want to enjoy, you fried.
Oh.
Yeah, it's make the tender
Hmm.
of the
Soft.
soft, more soft, and then you when you bite, it's not hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe next you can enjoy the betutu. Yeah,
Okay.
betutu. Yeah.
Okay, let me try that also. So thank you for the info, and say thank you in your
You.
Balinese language.
Suksma, Suksma for watching this channel. Thank you.
Bye.